Tell me something. You ever call anybody fool and good for nothing yet? Think about it and listen to that reading here from the Jamaican New Testament. And if you want more people fear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just do me a favor now, click the like button, drop a comment, and share this video with as many people as you can share it with. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right as so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 21 to verse 26. Uno know say, them when tell uno father them say, no kill nobody. And nobody will kill nobody. Them a go a courthouse and the judge a go say them guilty and write them off. But here when me a say, just bex with uno brother or uno sister. And uno have to go a court and the judge a go say uno guilty and write uno off. And anybody will shame them brother or sister and tell them how them Woklis and then sitting there. Uno a go have to go at the top judge them. And anybody will call them brother or sister one Woklis good for nothing fool. Hellfire a go reach them. So hear me then. If uno a go at the altar go give no offering and uno member say uno brother or sister bex with uno bout sitting, uno feel left uno offering at the altar. No give it up yet. Go make it up with uno brother or sister first and then come back, come give no offering. If somebody they carry go court, settle no argument pan the way, settle it fast. Or this somebody might hand you over give the judge, and the judge hand you over give the police, and the police we go lock you up in a prison. May I tell you this, you never can come out till you pay up every last cent. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.